Hi, Mama.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
We love you, Ma.
Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma.
Sige, Ma. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako masalita. Kaya, sorry lang. Pero, mahal ka namin. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
So happy birthday. So we love
Scientist.
you, Mama. Yeah, you always refer to Ainsley as a scientist. Say happy birthday, Mama. Okay, say bye.
I'm
We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Bye, Mama.
Alright, Mama, I'm gonna make sure I do great things for you in the future, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you. From Christmas family. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Mama. Yay! We love you.
Is this thing working?
Dad, what are you doing?
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you.
Bye. Bye.
Go on, triple. Wait, no, triple postcard.
Hi, Ma.
Happy
We love
birthday,
you.
Mama. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for taking us into your home. Thank you for sharing our home with us. We love you so
Some
much.
of my favorite memories.
We're forever grateful to you. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Love you, Mama.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Just wanted to say thank you for everything you've done for me, especially for accepting me as your own, like your own, as your own, whatever. But thank you so much for your love, for taking care of us. And
Happy birthday.
I just wish you were feeling better today, although you look better today than normal, than usual. Just wish that you were up and about to, really enjoy your day today. But happy 90th birthday. We love you so much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you, Mama.
Love you, Mama.
Love you so much.
Love you, Mama.
Thank you.
When you're ready, I'll blow one with you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
I love you. Thank you for always taking care of us. Thank you for watching my girls. Being the best grandma ever. Love you, love you, love you. Happy birthday. Love you, Mama.
Hey Mama, happy birthday. Just want to say wish you a great birthday and thank you for everything. I just want to show you one more thing because you loved her so much and she loved you. Remember Princess? I want to say thank you for watching her. I don't have kids, so she was one of my first kids. So thank you, love you.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Yeah, love you a lot.
And wishing you the best. Okay, Mama? I love you forever.
Ever and ever. Love you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Happy
We love
birthday.
you so much. Thank you so much for being an amazing grandma. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Say bye.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. We love you. Say hi, Jackson. We love you very much.
Thank you for making this a great birthday for us to celebrate with you too. And we sure love you a bunch.
Yeah, we love you a whole bunch. Bunches. Say hi, Jackson. Say I love you, Mama. Kiss. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. Look, we just want to wish Mama a very happy birthday. Happy 90th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! We love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama, ito,
Happy
binabati
birthday.
kay ni Luseng. Happy birthday daw. Happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday, Ma. Okay. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday.
We love you. Love you. And okay, what else do you guys want to say? Because we should have more to say than that.
Happy 90th.
Yep.
Yep.
Made it to 90, Ma. We love you so
Because-
much. We're happy.
yeah,
Oh.
We're very Who you said?
Come on, dude. They're being too rough. Bye. Love you, Mom.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy 90th birthday.
Happy birthday. Mom, what are you doing?
I don't know. Okay, we love you.
I love you. This is the brooch you gave me.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, why is it on the right? Oh, wait, never mind. It's a reflection.
Okay, we love you, Ma. Mwah. Okay,
I have a picture for you.
All right, we'll show it to you later, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Happy 90th birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
I love you. I'm sorry about that time that I locked myself in the bathroom and your dentures flew out of your mouth. I know it's a funny memory that you like, but I'm sorry that I did that to you when I was young. But I love you. Thank you for everything that you've done. You're amazing. And I love you so much.
Happy
Mwah.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Hi, Mama. It's Diana. I just want to let you know that I love you and I wish you a happy 90th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love
Mama.
you.
I love you. Kakalabas ko lang trabaho kaya excuse my face.
Love you, Mama.
Love you, Mom. Mama.
If it wasn't for you, none of us would even be here right now. So I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, and we love you. We all do.
Love you, Mama. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, guys. Say happy birthday, Mama Jayme.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you, Mama.
Happy birthday. I'm gonna miss you, Chang. Love you. Boy. I love you, Chang. Happy birthday.
Mama, I just want to say thank you for everything. You're the best grandma ever. I know me and Asia gave you hell when you were little, so thank you for always dealing with us and being the best. My dad told me that you used to sit in the back of our car, tell me how you couldn't wait till I grew up. And I'm so glad I got to spend my childhood with you because you're amazing. Thank you. I love you so much.
Thank you, Mama. You've been in my life for what? I lived in your house for practically like 12 years. Always seeing you and Papa cook me food, showing me love. You know, you guys taught me love. Taught me how to love everybody, you know. Just want to thank you for that, Mama. You know, obviously, love you forever.
Ma, happy birthday and salamat po. Thank you for being there for me. Hindi ako makapagsalita, Ma. I love you very much, pero I really thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa akin and for being there for me.
miss you, Ma. It's like I don't say it all the time that I love you, but I do love you. It's like kami naman, kayo ang nanay ko dito sa Amerika, and thank you for taking care of my family. Hindi ko na masabi, I can express the word that I want to tell you, but deep in my heart, I really love you, Ma. And salamat to sa lahat. I just don't know.
We all love you. Thank you for taking care of all of us. For real.
Hindi ko lang masabi, Ma. I want to say a lot of things. Yung mga kabutihan ginawa mo sa amin. Everything. All I can say is I love you, Ma. And get well. Thank you for taking care of my kids. At sa aming dalawang mag-asawa din.
We love you.
Love you, Ma. Pasensya na mo, Ma, kasi all I can say is I love you, Ma. We're always here for you. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Mama Jayme. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Your turn.
For me, darling, to dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl. You love me, and you never ever leave. Sign me, you never ever leave. Sign me.